A sensitivity analysis reruns your model multiple times for different input values, which are then displayed on a table. To conduct a sensitivity analysis, we'll use the Excel data table, which allows us to conduct a sensitivity on two inputs simultaneously. Next, we have to link our table to the desired output value, which is additional profit. So in the top left-hand corner cell of our table, I'll write equals and link this to additional profit. We're now ready to create our Excel table. So I'll select all our cells in the table, and then I'll press Alt-A to enter the Data tab, then W for What If Analysis, and T for Data Table. This opens the Data Table dialog box and asks for a row input cell. And our row input cell is simply the booking limit. So I'll select the booking limit and move on to column input cell, which is no-shows per flight. When we press OK, our table is now populated with the additional profit values.